My name is Jose, and this problem number 34 on page 432 in section 7.1, which is about apply the Pythagorean theorem. What is the Pythagorean theorem? The Pythagorean theorem is one of the most famous theorems in mathematics, which was founded by the Greek mathematician Pythagoras. This theorem is mostly used in right triangles. So, as explained in theorem 7.1, in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs. And the formula for Pythagorean theorem is 7 squared equals a squared plus b squared. So knowing that, we can solve problem 34, which is found on page 132. So this is a multi-step problem. In your challenge, there is a field that is in the shape of a right triangle with the dimensions 35, 80, and the missing feet. So, find the perimeter of the field. You're going to plant dogwood seedlings about every 10 feet around the field's edge. How many trees do you need? If each dogwood seedling sells for $12, how much will the trees cost? So we gotta find the missing length. And in order to do that, we gotta apply the Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now we plug 80 in for the c because whatever is the hypotenuse is the c squared. Now you can plug 35 anywhere. So 80 squared equals 35 squared plus b squared. You square any numbers, so to get 6,400 equals 1,225 plus b squared. We subtract 1,225 from 6,400 to get 5,175 equals b squared. Then you square root both sides to get 71.93747285 equals b. Since it doesn't specify in the question, we could assume we round to the whole integer. So we get 72 equals b. Knowing that, we could plug that in for the missing leg. Now we find the rest of the problem. So find the perimeter of the field. You just add it all up to get 187. And part B, you are going to plant dogwood seedlings about every 10 feet around the edge. How many trees do you need? So we just knowing the whole perimeter, we could just divide that by 10 to get 18.7. We round it to the whole integer to get 19. Now we do part C. If each dogwood seedling sells for $12, how much will the trees cost? So knowing that we need about 19 trees, we could times that by 12 to get $228. And then the problem solved.